Hello there, guys. This is Professor De here. It's literally 5 a.m. right now. I just finished working on a few cards. It was pretty nice, just chilling to lo-fi beats and uh, doing cards is really, really relaxing. But yeah, that's took. Yeah, also, I'll be naming myself De from now on, just for simplicity's sake. I can't pronounce Professor De all the time. It usually makes me end up like re-recording like multiple times, so just a little bit of an update there. But anyways, let's go over what I've done with Realm Battles TCG so far. So after writing down, I have some card ideas that I've already done. Some of the card art. Actually, like, let me just show you first. So the templates over here. This is for the blue and purple cards. I have red, green, purple, and blue. So each of them have like different sort of themes to them. So like blue is meant for card manipulation. Purple is meant to work with your graveyard or like killing things faster. Green is about uh, sort of resource management because this game uses like mana, which I'll explain in another video. Well, in this game I call it charge, but it's something similar to mana. And red is all about aggression, so like huge creatures and stuff. Of course, like purple may have some big creatures, and of course blue is gonna have some big creatures. But they tend to focus more on certain parts of like, that of, yeah, they tend to focus more on what the colors mean. So over here I have, ignore the rarities here. This isn't the rarity for the ultra rare. So there are 4 rarities that I've thought of: common, rare, very rare, and ultra rare. So yeah, so for the common and very and rare, so I have 2 cards here: Studious Lizard and Stick Ninja. So the rarity here, common. Basically, there's nothing at all, nothing interesting whatsoever. For the rare, as you can see, the cost over here has a little outline, so that will just show that it's a rare and not anything else. Hopefully that will work. If you guys have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments, because it'll be really helpful. And then for the very rares, I have a template here, and I was basically playing around with all of it. So you can see for the very rares, we have outline on every single part of the template. No color change in the text box here except for the stats. So yeah, then you got very rare and the illustrator, and the artwork will be in the center here. And for the ultra rares, I plan to create custom sort of shiny templates. So as you can see here, the name of the card has a really special effect to it, like a gradient, making it look like more shiny. That was the effect I was going for. And you can also see that the cost is a completely different color with a gradient as well. The artwork will be in the center, of course. Then of course we have the borders on everything, and we have the stats over here, which actually have a color now, so they have like more shiny colors. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The UR, the ultra rare symbol here, will be colored different as well. I was gonna do like a sort of like rainbow colored font, or like make a little cube here with like a rainbow, but I ended up not doing that because it just looked out of place. So not gonna be doing that. Also, I was actually thinking of using symbols for the rarity. So for commons, it'll be a circle. For rares, it'll be a square. For very rares, it'll be a pentagon, and for ultra rares, it'll be a star or something. But that's just a plan for now. I'm not sure if I will do that or not. But yeah, also card numbers, of course. As you can see here, these are not the actual card numbers. I will sort them by color, then I'll do the card numbers. So yeah, but over here, as you can see, the artwork looks really nice, especially the studious lizard here with very colorful artwork. All the art from here currently comes from the public domain channel in the HTCG community server. So basically what happens is that because there's a large amount of people in the HTCG community, they send their artworks to the channel, and then you can use them for your own game. So what I've done is that I've used those public artworks. They're not they are of course made by the person. It's just that they allow people to use it, so it's not bad or anything. I'm not stealing other people's artwork. In fact, although some of them don't really ask for credit and stuff, what I've decided to do is actually credit them. But for some names I've chosen their TCG names. For some I chose their actual Discord name. Actually, if you guys could help me, I kind of need to know whether you guys would prefer your Discord name or your TCG name in the description below. I mean, sorry, in the comments below. Yeah, my mind's literally dead right now. So let me know if you want your Discord name or your HTCG name as the illustrator here. So yeah, the abilities of course will sort of scale down. So as you can see, the ability boxes here sort of have different scales. So if the ability is longer, the ability box will be bigger. If it's shorter, it'll be smaller. So this is also a spell card. So unlike the other cards here, the spell card is just yeah, there's nothing special about spell cards for now, at least. Yeah, actually I might change this to a rare card because I don't think it's, I mean, the art's really nice, which is why I thought it deserved the very rare status, but it kind of conflicts with one of my cards, so yeah. So this is Lytron, the Light Mage, as a very rare card, of course. So yeah, there will be multiple cards with an actual name of the character and then their title. So Lytron, the Light Mage here is basically controller of light. So the colors don't actually mean what element they control, it's just what theme they are part of. So Lytron, the Light Mage, is more focused on card draw, so it's put under the blue category. And as you can see, Flirtatious Letter here actually looks more like a red card because it's on fire, but it's actually a purple card. So the effects of the cards determine the color, not the card artwork or anything like that. So yeah, Smart Phoenix and Sunken Wisp, sorry. Yeah, and Calidus the Soul Eater, which is a purple, very rare card with a pretty good passive actually. So I've designed a lot of blue cards because that seemed to be like what the whole like when I looked at the public domain artwork stuff, I tend to like see more uh blue cards, like cards that I would put as blue cards, than like red or green. I did see a few green cards, but I will need to edit them and stuff before I put it in. So these are the only 8 cards that I have so far. So I have 5 blue cards and 3 purple cards. So yeah, hopefully this gives you guys a gist of what I've been doing so far. And if you have any artworks, you can check out my last video where I was, you know, like with the updates and stuff, with my subscribers and everything. So yeah. If you guys have any comments, like on the templates, on whether I should even be using the artworks from the public domain channel in the TCG community server, do let me know. I'm hoping for like a few of your guys' opinion on all of this, because this is the first time I've made a game where I'm using other people's artwork. So yeah, I do need some of your advice. But other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I have nothing else. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.